Mine is that why mine is really disturbing is that I am a bit I'm a bit chubby than my twin brother.
No, it's not a bit. You are chubby.
No, let me. Are you the one explaining?
No, I don't like people giving themselves hope.
Let me use another one. I added.
You're fat.
At times I start to ask myself, don't you see I'm bigger than this guy? They will be like, let's have a picture. I'll say he's not the one. They will start murmuring while leaving, like, what is he feeling like? Because they want to take picture. What is he feeling like? MC Tagwaye, can we have a picture? I will say, okay. You will take a picture. And you will carry my picture going around telling people that you met MC. He's not the one.
Mostly you will end up tagging me. Oh my God, I met MC Tagwaye today. I will see it as well.